యా హాయ్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఐ థింక్ మీరు అనగనగా అతిథి అనే ఒక మూవీ ట్రైలర్ చూసే ఉంటారు. ఏమనిపించింది మీ అందరికీ? నాకు మాత్రం రియలీ పాయల్ రాజ్పుత్ గారి గురించి కానీ, డైరెక్టర్ గురించి కానీ, అందులో యాక్ట్ చేసిన హీరో గారి గురించి కానీ ఆల్ ఓవర్గా అసలు ఈ స్టోరీ ఏంటి అనేది ఆ ట్రైలర్ చూస్తే ఎక్కడా మాత్రం నిజంగా అర్థం కాలేదు. బట్ ఐ వాజ్ సో సర్ప్రైజ్డ్, సచ్ ఏ బోల్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్ షీ డిడ్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజు అనగనగా ఓ అతిథి టీమ్ ఈజ్ విత్ మీ రైట్ నౌ. సో వాళ్ళని పలకరించేసి బోల్డ్ అని విశేషాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. సార్ డైరెక్టర్ గారు నమస్తే సార్. నమస్తే అండి. బాగున్నావు, తెలుగు నేర్చేసుకున్నారు. ఎవ్రీడే నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు.
I make sure at least I should learn one Telugu word in a day. And I just try to keep repeating that word. So yeah, నేర్చుకుంటున్నా.
రియలీ. కానీ ట్రైలర్ చూసిన తర్వాత చాలా బోల్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్, బోల్డ్ డైలాగ్స్. ఎలా అనిపించింది డైరెక్టర్ గారు? మీకు ఫస్ట్ టైం స్టోరీ వినిపించినప్పుడు ఎలా అనిపించింది మీకు?
The very first thing, yesterday only trailer got released, and before that teaser got released. So we are so exhilarating with that overwhelming response we got, and people received it in such a good way. I was actually not expecting that, but the kind of response we have got is something unexplainable. And this movie, especially this film is so close to us, to each one of us actually, just because one of the reasons is this is our first movie post lockdown, and so much of patience, persistence, and so many emotions are attached with this film. That's why I'm saying ee movie naku chala special ga undi.
Sir, Dayal Padmanabhan sir, welcome to iDream channel.
Captain of the ship is here today.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Sir, ఈ స్టోరీని మీరు తెలుగులో తీయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు పాయల్ గారిని ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకున్నారు అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
Madam, just after the lockdown, when the shooting, like the full-fledged shooting start అయింది కదా, స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత when the whole production team, AHA team and the Trend Loud team approached me for the cinema.
Okay.
So I said, I am completely new to Telugu. I may be a very senior and noted filmmaker in Kannada, but I am a very junior in Telugu. I have no clues about the business and the marketing. So I was completely surrendered to them.
Yes.
Then I told, see, this is my story. It's a content based cinema. The content based cinema has to hit the audience with a artist who has got a value in the market. So this is one thing I told. If you want to sell a content, good content particularly, you need an actress who is popular, who is in the top. So the first name came as Payal actually.
Okay.
And I don't mind to say that it was completely a strong choice of Arvind sir.
Oh, it's truly being an honor for me to be chosen by Arvind sir and Geeta Arts, and I don't know what to say. How to
they
put
were very
that in
strong
words.
about casting Payal. Then I said, fine, yes, we'll go ahead. Then immediately, before that only I had watched the RX100 many times, and I was a big fan of Payal Rajput. As a fan, I have a different. So I know that what sort of an acting skill is there within her. So it was very easy for me to mold her. So that was my first reaction. If Payal Rajput, yes, I am there. We are going to hit it.
And you know what? I'm completely a director's actor. You know why? I mean, I have a tremendous amount of respect for Sir and for his work. He's such an intellect director. I'm not trying to brow nose him or something like that. But to be very honest, such a intelligent director. He's very much clear in his head that what sort of take he wants to take. And just I think hardly we have shot like once or twice and the shot is done. It's like that. And ultimately he's a captain of the ship, and I have huge respect for him, for his work, intellect and everything. He's just superb. Whatever he does all from his heart. So
that's nice. Actually దీని ఒరిజినల్ వెర్షన్ వచ్చేసి కన్నడ దాంట్లో ఉంది. అప్పుడు మీరు థియేటర్స్కే చేసి ఉంటారు ఖచ్చితంగా. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్ మీరు ఓటీటీకి ఇచ్చేసారు, థియేటర్ వరకు వెయిట్ చేయలేదు ఎందుకు?
అంటే ఐ డిడ్ంట్ గెట్ యు.
నో, ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇచ్చేసారు, బట్ ఒరిజినల్ వర్షన్ మీరు కన్నడలో అది థియేటర్లో. బట్ యూ షుడ్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ ద మెయిన్ స్ట్రీమ్ కదా ఓటీటీ కింద.
The thing is the life has to be altered or adjusted with the flow.
yeah,
okay.
That is what understanding the life. Okay, so that way, during the lockdown, see, one thing is that watching a cinema in a theater is an amazing experience, which cannot be compared or compensated with any other experience. Okay, there is no alternate for cinema. That too, watching cinema in cinema hall. There is no alternate experience for that. But the pandemic situation has taught us something that
we have to adjust
learn to live. Adjust, you have to alter few things in your life. So I altered for the OTT. That's all. But still, our thing is like already we have been told that the cinema will be released in theatre. In a reverse way. Generally, theatre release ayin tarvata OTT release aatundi. Ikkada OTT release ayin tarvata
probably in January we are in talks for the theatrical release right now. But see, now the situation is not that good, so we are much more inclined towards the OTT platform. And OTT is a future. If you see, like for last 5-6 months, I can't tell you, I have seen major content on Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon, and I have seen lot of content, lot of films I have seen. So I was quite happy with this decision of mine. I was like, okay, let's go for the OTT, and this is my debut on OTT platform, so why not just give a try to it. And if it's a good content, then nothing can stop it, nothing can beat it. It has to come out. It will come out, and people gonna appreciate it, and people gonna receive it in a very good way.
Okay. At the same time, ఇప్పుడు ఒక చిన్న ట్రిక్కీ క్వశ్చన్ వేస్తాను ఇప్పుడు నేను. ఈ మూవీని తెలుగులో తీయాలి అని అనుకున్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ మీరు కలిసి మాట్లాడింది ఎవరిని?
The Trunloud people, actually, the producers. See, basically it is a production of AHA. It's a original AHA original.
Okay.
And the AHA original ante, like any AHA product, there will be another producer, designated producer, who is execute the project.
Okay.
So my first meet was with the Trunloud, which is a Chennai based production house.
Okay.
So tarvata Arvind sir came into picture, and the AHA team came into picture. So that was the flow.
సరే,
you didn't get what you wanted.
నేను ఇప్పుడు అడుగుతాను ఇప్పుడు అదే. అంటే జీ సినిమాలు ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకొక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కూడా ఉంది. సో ఇలా చూసుకుంటే ఆహాకే ఎందుకు ఇచ్చారంటే ఎందుకు చెప్తారు?
One thing is AHA platform, OTT platform, is basically the legendary producer Alla Arvind sir is there, who understands the cinema better. He is in the industry for the 50 years. He understands the cinema. Though AHA is a corporate company, the flow, the workflow will be little easy when compared to other corporate companies, because the cinema has been understood that the corporate companies, to be honest, to my knowledge, why corporate companies are really failure in India in terms of filmmaking, because of the reason, because they want the cinema also in the corporate cell, which is not possible. Cinema has to be more of adjustments and more of words and commitments. So that has been understood by AHA people. So which is very easy for me. I am a very quick filmmaker. I am very speed in my work.
See, I told you.
I am very speed, and I need someone who cooperates with my speed. So AHA was the right choice for me.
Are we were supposed to complete this shoot like for like around 25 to 26 days, and he completed within 18 to 19 days. He saved all the budget, and I can't tell you,
we completed in 16 days. Because of the rain, it was delayed by 2 days.
Yeah.
Oh my
See?
Oh my God.
So for Telugu cinema, please go for him, sign him just beforehand.
Yeah, and I'm so happy after watching the film. Alla Arvind sir called me and told one thing. I'm really 50 years of experience undi naku, but really I don't know how you shot so much.
Sir, your vision is very much clear in your head.
That is the first
just one take and you are done. Yeah.
How did you shoot in 19 days? I know that I am the producer for this film. I'm unable to believe in the chapter.
Yeah, it's very fast.
It's amazing, sir. So చాలా క్లియర్ థాట్ ప్రాసెస్ యూ హ్యావ్, ఐ థింక్. అందువల్ల దట్స్ రియల్లీ అమేజింగ్, సార్. సార్, కానీ హీరో పర్టికులర్గా ఈ పర్సన్ అని ఫిక్స్ అయి ఉన్నారా సార్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్? యాక్చువల్లీ
లేదు. there are lot of choices were there from the platform, because as I am new to this industry, వేరే actors నాకు, but my choice was Chaitanya actually.
Okay.
So I had seen his work before, so randomly I chose Chaitanya for his look and other things, and I started interacting with him through the executive producer. I liked his attitude. Simplicity ishtamayindi naku. So immediately I thought, okay, he will be a one actor with whom I can be comfortable. I live with my intuitions generally. generally.
Okay.
Just I don't calculate much. Just whatever the opinion comes, I do it. So that way, Chaitanya was my choice, and I will proudly say that, and I'm happy to say that. Very few good actors I have come across in my life, and he is one of those good actors, I should say.
He is indeed.
మీ హీరోయిన్ గురించి మీరు ఏం చెప్తారు అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
Okay. See, one thing, when I met Payal ji, really.
Sir, don't call me please Payal ji. Call me
I don't
Payal
know.
only. He has a very
Generally
bad
she
habit
says-
of calling me ma'am.
Generally, I call her as ma'am. That also she used to say.
I
"No,
don't
sir, call
like
me
it.
as
Don't
ma'am."
call me ma'am. Just call me
Okay.
Payal.
When I met Payal, we met in my office.
Yeah.
Before the shoot.
And you were that time you were very observant. You know, I was sitting like this and I'm using my left hand more than my right hand. He was like, "Okay, so you use your left hand." Manika, why he's such an observant. You know, he keep asking a lot of things. But that was really good in a way.
ఓకే.
I was observing her, how
Yeah.
she behaves, how she talks. That's all. But and I know
And
her.
that he used in his film. Okay, Pal, if you're using this hand, then yeah, go for it. It's looking a little different from rest of the things. So
బేసికలీ
yeah.
యువర్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్?
No, I'm a right hander, but
But she uses
in general.
Yeah. The signing will be more in the left hand generally when she talks.
I don't know.
So I
never
noticed it, and I told her, why can't you use in the cinema?
I never noticed that. This guy, oh god.
And one more thing is, I give a lot of freedom to the actors generally.
That's the best part.
I don't see. I don't feed everything on the mind. Okay, I prepare them with my script. I ask them to come to the location. What is the character has taught you? My scripters would have taught you something, right?
ఎస్.
Reproduce it.
ఓకే.
That is what I tell always.
Okay.
When they reproduce, whether it is in my rhythm or not, I have written the character in a characterization in one particular rhythm. Whether it sits with the rhythm or not, I see. When it is in rhythm, I live it. Okay, otherwise I correct it. No,
Yeah.
you are not in my rhythm. This is what I want.
He gives you full liberty to perform actually. As I told you like time and again that I am completely a director's actor. So, there should be some kind of bonding between an actor and a director. And if you gel up really good, then the outcome you cannot even imagine
Yes.
how the outcome gonna come out. You have seen trailer and teaser. The bonding can be shown in that movie.
యా.
So to continuation, Payal was generally, when she comes to the location at preparation, see, till she comes to the location, we have no idea because we don't have any communication with Payal, so we have no idea.
Okay.
But the moment she comes to the location, she is completely a director's actress.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, she becomes completely to get into the character. She is into the script. Always she'll be like a school girl. She'll be holding the book and reading.
I was very nervous on the very first day. Let me tell you, I did a lot of homework for this particular character. I mean, slang wise and that de-glamorized look of mine. And afterwards, language is of course a hindrance for me because I don't know Telugu much. But the kind of homework we did, he told me the very first day, Payal, just undo and unlearn everything from your mind. Because if you keep thinking or if you overthink, then you wouldn't be able to, give your best.
కాన్షియస్ అయిపోతుంది.
Yeah, I become very conscious. See, the very first thing in language, and afterwards you have to carry that slang in the body language.
Yes.
Very first time I am, opted this kind of character, de-glamorized and, sort of content-driven sort of thing. So initially it was quite difficult and I felt nervous on the sets, but gradually he helped me throughout the movie and he stood by me through thick and thin. So, chala respect for him.
And the first scene, whatever we did, that itself was a little intense scene.
Yeah.
So there, I deliberately I did that scene.
First day only you have given me this much, these many dialogues, and you were like,
So that-
okay, fine, ready.
So the first day itself, I started that way. I didn't see. Generally, we go with lighter
Montages.
scenes, montages, light scenes,
Yes.
like not much intense scene, something like that. But I started with the intense scene so that the focus level has to come for her. She should not feel that okay, still time is there.
I'm a very
No, I want her to be in the attention. So the first day itself, we were so happy. I'm telling very honestly. I still remember it was a very very breakthrough scene in the
Yes,
cinema actually.
yes.
Once if you watch the
Yes.
cinema,
Okay.
I will tell you that which scene it is.
Okay.
But that particular scene, I saw the first close up. I thank the God. Okay.
You are
okay.
totally satisfied,
No,
yes.
no, she has come to the character. That is what more. That
Right.
was more important.
Right.
That was more important. And I used to trouble her like she doesn't have the habit of walking in barefoot. Generally, she used to wear the footwear.
It was quite
then I will say that no,
So
then
difficult. So difficult.
So I tell her, no, like remove the chapel and try to walk. So your walking style.
I need your guidance. That's the only thing.
I will say that the pain has to. You have to feel the pain
See?
in your leg.
Look.
Then your walking style will be different. It will be more of rural
Natural
thing. So
thing, yeah.
so sometimes till the take I will wear the photo. No, if you don't know what you will be doing in the take. So
Yeah.
better remove in the. So it was a bit. See, the thing is, the 1 or 2 days that thing will be there. Why I am telling she will not get. So probably after 1.5 years, 2 days, we were in the complete
My
track. And
involvement with that character, with Malika, was so much that I was unable to come out of
Come
that
out, yeah,
character.
I
Continuously for 15-16 days, I was shooting for this character, Malika, and I'll tell you the involvement was too much. I did one event in between. I've been to Rajmundry and there I inaugurated some showroom over there. And you know what I was doing? I was wearing a sari, proper Kanchivaram sari I was wearing, and the way I held that sari, like
she pulled like.
oh shit, my friend was like standing next to me and he was like, hey, how are you carrying yourself? I mean, okay, yeah, avuna, and I was like, hey, avuna, oh my god, that slang, that rowdiness, because Malika is fierce, feisty, fearless. And I really believe in one thing, that if you're playing certain character, then you know a part reflects in that character, a part of you reflects in that character. Like in general life, I am sort of little confident, stubborn too. So you know, somewhere I can connect to this character as well. See, in my life, there is no gray area. Either I'm white or black. So same goes with this character. Malika is like so feisty, so fearless, and this girl is just magical. If you look at her, you will get goosebumps. You tell me, ऐसे characters आपको जिंदगी में बहुत कम मिलते हैं करने को. तो ये मेरी life में आया तो मुझे लगता है I'm really blessed in a way. I'm a greedy actor. I crave for immersive experiences and I crave for such roles. As I said time and again, so last time also I told you I want to be a Radhika Apte instead of Katrina Kaif. And I admire Taapsee Pannu, Radhika Apte, because the kind of choices these actresses have made is like impeccable.
You will be after this film.
I don't know, yaar. It's completely up to my fans, to people over there who are like, you know, giving me this much, this amount of respect, and they accepted me graciously. So what else you can ask for?
No,
I'm a blessed.
already you're tested and proved.
I feel good
Of
about
course,
it.
you are.
See, for me, it was a great surprise. Yes, I know that Payal is a big actress, emerging actress in Telugu. Everything I know, and when Allu Arvind sir says that, okay, what can you cast Payal in this? Okay, there is a calculation, everything business. But I never expected that when after the teaser released and other things, I was going through the comments. You can go through the comments, that there will be 80% of the comments on Payal.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, which is very rare.
Payal rocks. It's going to be a game changer for
see,
Payal.
there are a lot of suggestion for her, a lot of advice for her, a lot of
Beautiful
wishes
messages.
for her. No?
Beautiful messages.
Yeah.
Messages. Yeah, there will be stupid messages here and there, which you can't avoid.
Yeah.
Yes.
I am not at all coming to that. We are in the positive mode. We will talk only positive.
We don't
Yes,
want to
yes.
sulk into negativity.
Yeah,
We are
negativity
really
and all.
on a
But
happy
the
place.
then I realized, oh no, she is beyond what I thought.
Okay.
See, the thing is, it is not easy for actors today because it is a world full of competitions. There are thousands of Payals are there. In that one Payal who gets wishes, who gets suggestions, advices from a fan, it's a big thing. She has achieved it, and I am sure that after seeing Malika in AOA, Anagadaga Ogaditi.
People are waiting desperately right
People
now.
will, she will be a very competitive actress in South India, I will say. That much, I am not telling, see, I am one person who tells anything. Say, even when I am not happy, I say that I am unhappy with you.
He's very expressive. He just speaks his heart out, and that's a very good thing.
So that's why hardly I am telling that from the heroine status, she will go to an actress status. That is
That's
what
what
I
I
love to be
Yeah.
called
Yeah,
performer. If
true.
people call me performer,
Yeah.
that is the best thing in my life. Best compliments actually.
True.
And yeah, nowadays not far on 20th Anganga OTT releasing. Now
Today we are going to, when the
we are
review
going
is
to preview.
on,
Yeah. At 7:30 we are going to watch our movie. That's why I'm chala nervous ka unanu.
Oh my
I know it happens to me every time whenever my movie is on release. I kind of become vulnerable, and I just go in some different world only. I don't get sleep easily. I don't eat much, and my mom is like, and my friends are like, how you're behaving? You're behaving awkwardly actually. But this is something I don't know. Naturally, it comes to me. After 20th, might be I'll be relieved. But right now, you can see the anxiety on my face also. Like I don't know. I'm kind of nervous, but at the same time, I'm flying high. I have butterflies in my stomach, and I'm quite content. I don't know for what reason, but I'm really happy, and I know within this content is going to rock.
And,
Yeah, I know.
and
It is
one
going
more-
to be
one more
blast,
thing-
really. Yeah.
And one more thing I wanted to tell about, like sometimes she feels saturated with her performance and say that I think sir I have done good. She will say
Always
that is
dissatisfied.
sometimes because she has got the fear that can I do better than this?
Yes.
But I know that she can do better than that. So when I say that Payalji, can we go for another take? I think that is fine, sir. You feel it is fine? Yes, fine. We will go. If I say, she will say no. No, sir. We will go for another.
Let us do
take.
one more.
So
I'm
when
always
this film,
dissatisfied. Always dissatisfied.
so
with my
I
life.
decided then how to get one from her. And sometimes I will go and say if I tell another take, you may say it's fine, that's why I'm not taking. No, sir, take another take. So that is the way she got involved into the cinema. And it is very rare quality, Anjali Garu. Like you are also there in the industry.
Yes, sir.
Here we see the cinema as profession, most of us.
Yeah.
But I have seen very few who see cinema as passion, and I see Payal as one of the persons like me who looks at cinema as a passion, not as a profession.
No.
Cinema is just like a food to me. I mean, the medium I chose to raise my expression, my internal thing to come out, that's cinema. So I want to portray many shades in my life, in my career span, which I have experienced or I wish to experience, be it like action, bad to good to fiction, hell lot of things are pending. And to be very honest, as an actor, I always feel dissatisfied. I mean, I don't feel content or that satisfied thing in me. That's why I'm always like on my director. I sit on my director's head and I'm like, sir, is this okay? I think I should do like this. I should alter this way. And sometimes my directors are like so annoyed by me and they're like, you just keep quiet and go and sit over there. And I'm like just like a kid. I'm like, oh shit. Then again I'm like, sir, once more. So that sort of passion I carry in me, and this is since childhood. I mean, I always wanted to become an actor. That's why might be I'm a bit crazy ga only for acting.
She is using her left hand now.
సార్ కన్నడ వర్షన్ కి ఇప్పుడు తెలుగు వర్షన్ కి మీరన్నా చేంజెస్ ఏమైనా చేస్తారా?
అంటే the Kannada version was produced by me.
ఎస్ సార్.
So I am one producer who is a budget film producer. నేను ఆ తర్వాత I never go for a finance to produce films. Whatever source I have, risk లేదంటే కొన్ని సోర్సెస్ ఉంది కదా, I do the film out of that. So I had lot of limitations when I did in Kannada.
ఓకే.
Telugu, when I did Telugu, so always it is like that. You prepare some dish.
Yeah.
Next time the dish will be better than the first one. Always.
Yes.
And then okay, first time what are the mistakes you did, you will not repeat it in the second time. If you repeated, you are irresponsible. That is different.
True.
But I will not repeat. So I will not repeat. So what are the flaws? What are the mistakes I did in the first version, that is Kannada version? Anni rectify chesi. నాకు ఒక ఐ విల్ సే ఇట్ హస్ గివెన్ మీ గ్రేట్ ప్లెజర్ ఫర్ మీ టు డూ ద తెలుగు వర్షన్. వెన్ ఐ సీ ద తెలుగు వర్షన్, my guilt has come out. Like I was in a guilt when I did the Kannada, that so because of the limitations I could not take that shot, this shot. But here in Telugu, నాకు చాలా freedom ఇచ్చారు.
You
budget
focused more
ఇచ్చారు.
on detailing
the cinema. Detailing cinema is always convincing the audience in a better way. The questions in the mind of audience will be less.
Yes.
So that way I have done a very detailing in the cinema. So మీకు when you see the Telugu you will feel that it is a perfect version.
కొంచెం లేట్ అయినా చైతన్య కృష్ణ గారు కూడా వచ్చేసారు. హాయ్ సార్, వెల్కమ్ టు హై డ్రీమ్.
Thank you so much,
ఛానల్.
Anmi. Hi.
యూ హ్యావ్ రెడ్యూస్డ్ అ లాట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. నేను ఐ కీప్ వాచింగ్ యువర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అండి. ఆ ఫీనిక్స్ ఆయనతో చేశారు కదా మహాప్రస్థానం. ఐ లవ్డ్ ఇట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
అండ్ ఫారెన్సిక్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్తో కానీ వీళ్ళతో కానీ లైక్ క్రైమ్ అండ్ క్రిమినల్ యూ కవర్ అప్ లాట్ ఆన్ యువర్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ, డెఫినెట్గా అండి. షూర్ షూర్. సో నైస్ టు సీ యూ. యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా రోజులుగా మీ పర్సనల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను, నాకు ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇవ్వలేదు మీరు. మీరు
Because he didn't give the personal number or what?
నాదే ఉంది పాయలు ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ, పాయలు. And he's our guest from Bangalore. So
He's our guest, from Bangalore.
We have to treat him with lot of love
Atithi,
and respect.
Atithi Devo Bhava.
He is actually the Atithi. Yeah.
After AOA, I will become localite here.
Done,
You
sir.
will become sir.
Yeah.
యాక్చువల్లీ మీ మూవీస్ వన్ బై వన్ చూసుకుంటూ వస్తుంటే నిజంగా సచ్ ఎ మెచ్యూర్డ్ యాక్టర్. డే బై డే చాలా మీరు యు ఆర్ ఇంప్రూవింగ్ లాట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. స్టార్టింగ్ మీద మూవీ చూసినప్పటి నుంచి ఈ రోజు వరకు చూస్తే మధ్యలో యూ గాట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్. ద సేమ్ టైం చాలా మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీస్ కొట్టేశారు మీరు.
True అండి.
కదా?
Yeah, to an extent, yeah.
చాలా పెద్ద పెద్ద వాళ్ళతోటి, సీనియర్ యాక్టర్స్ తోటి మీరు చేశారు.
Right.
అసలు నాకు అదే అనిపిస్తుంది అప్పుడప్పుడు, చాలా జలస్ ఫీల్ అవుతుంటాను మిమ్మల్ని చూసి.
Yeah, thank
మంచి
you so
ఆపర్చునిటీ
much.
కొట్టేసరినా డెఫినెట్ గాను అని చెప్పని.
Yeah.
సో నైస్ సార్. యాక్చువల్లీ ట్రైలర్లో మీకు ఇచ్చిన కాస్ట్యూమ్ కానీ, చక్కగా చేతిలో ట్రంక్ పెట్టే కానీ, మీ వాకింగ్ స్టైల్ కానీ,
అంటే ఇప్పటిదాకా చేసిన ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అని ఒక ఎత్తు మ్యామ్.
Yes.
నేను ఒక అంటే నాకు ఈ సినిమా చూడగానే, నాకు రాజ్ సినిమా పంపించగానే, కన్నడ సినిమా, ఐ వాజ్ నెవర్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ as one good promising lead in a hit film. It was never. I was always a supporting actor or something like that. నాకు ఇది చూడగానే it was like, I am in, this is a brilliant film, I want to be a part of it. And moreover, I get to play that title role, Atithi.
Yes.
Yeah.
And above everything, Payal was like the star. After RX100,
Hey,
she's
come
like
on,
everywhere.
you're playing opposite me.
I know.
You're star kada.
I know, but see, as I haven't got chances where I am played opposite to a very star hero and all this stuff. So it was like a blessing for me, like a good film, a great director, and then the heroine. To me, it is like, I think it will open up a lot of opportunities for me and Asher.
True.
So
Yes, sir.
I love his
Yeah.
honesty actually. Initially I pictured him differently, but now I can say like the honesty he's carrying in himself, that you can see on screen as well. You know, the amount of honesty he carries and the way he portrays his character, I mean, it's like impeccable. Yeah, he's really
Which
talented.
is very rare for an actor to his caliber.
Yeah.
There'll be more of loads. Once you know that you are an actor,
Yeah.
one extra invisible load will be there on the head, which you can't see.
And
with,
you know what? Sometimes I'll tell you, the good ones get hit the hardest. He's saying now he never played the starry kind of thing or
Yeah,
whatever.
never,
That's
yeah.
hurting him here. And he's actually talking his art out. Okay, I didn't get it, and this is actually a blessing for him. So it's okay to accept that.
Seriously, true గా, because
Yeah.
అంటే హానెస్ట్ గా పాయల్ పక్కన దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ అనగానే, dude, this is going to be a big thing for me. It's going to open up a lot of opportunities.
True.
Where I'll be busy at least 3 days a week. I'll
Of
still
course,
enjoy
of
doing
course,
it.
no doubt.
Yeah.
లేదు, ముందు కూడా ఆపర్చునిటీస్ వచ్చాయి, ముందు కూడా మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీస్ వచ్చాయి, ఒక్క ముందు కూడా మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీస్ వస్తాయి. నో డౌట్.
దిస్ ఇస్ డెఫినెట్లీ నేను చేసిన కెరీర్ అన్నిట్లో కదా, దిస్ ఇస్ లైక్ వే స్టెప్ అహెడ్ అండి. వే స్టెప్ అహెడ్ అనమాట. అంటే జోహార్ గేవ్ మీ గుడ్ అప్లాజ్ ఫర్ మీ.
చాలా మంచి మూవీ అండి.
Yeah, and
వెరీ నైస్ మూవీ.
అండ్ ఈ మూవీ ఇంకా బ్రిలియంట్ ఉంటుంది. ఇట్స్ బికాస్ నేను ఒకసారి ఒక బ్లూ ప్రింట్, కన్నడ బ్లూ ప్రింట్ చూసేసాను కాబట్టి ఐ వాజ్ సో
Yeah.
ఎక్సైటెడ్.
Okay.
Yeah.
ఇది ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది. అండ్ దెన్ ది పోస్టర్స్ గాట్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ బ్రిలియంట్ బస్. సో ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ హోపింగ్ ద మ్యాజిక్ రబ్స్ ఆన్ మీ.
సార్, ట్రైలర్లో స్టార్టింగ్లో మీరు ఒక జానపద అని అనుకోండి, లేదా తెలుగు వర్షన్లో ఉండే ఒక ప్యూర్ దాన్ని ఇలా రిలీజ్ చేశారు. చాలా చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా ఉంది. కానీ తెలుగులో తీయడానికి మీరు ఎలాంటి వర్కౌట్ చేశారంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
one thing,
అంటే సో మెనీ ఇష్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో యాక్చువల్లీ. ట్రైలర్ లోనే
one thing I am a man, so already I think off the camera I was telling you,
yes sir,
I am a Tamilian,
yeah,
but biologically I am a
Kannada unnaru.
Telugu who has got a Kannada filmmaker tag.
ఓకే.
నాకు ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ సెన్సిబిలిటీస్ అనేది, ఫర్ మై మెచ్యూరిటీ ఐ నో హౌ టు రెస్పెక్ట్ ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్.
yes,
And I'm very specific about it. Very specific about it. When I pronounce, I try to put an effort from the, not from the heart doesn't have the thinking capacity, from the brain. I think from the brain and pronounce each and every word.
Right.
And I completely surrender to the language. So anything I do related to the culture of that language, anything, I do a lot of research.
ఓకే.
తర్వాత ఇంటరాక్ట్ చేస్తా, ఆ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ తో ఇంటరాక్ట్ చేసి, సార్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ లైక్ దిస్, విల్ ఇట్ గో విత్ తెలుగు, will it go with Telugu, can I use this word, can I use this dressing thing
He
in
did
Telugu?
lot of homework beforehand. He did lot of homework whenever he was on
చేసి
set.
కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసిన తర్వాత అడాప్ట్ చేస్తా. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ యువర్ రెస్పెక్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దట్ కమ్ అండ్ షూట్ సంథింగ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ నో,
ఓకే.
హౌ టు అడాప్ట్ ఇట్ టు ద లోకల్ డొమెస్టిక్ కల్చర్. ఇక్కడ ఒక తెలుగు, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ రెస్పెక్టబుల్ లాంగ్వేజ్. యు నో, I told in one of the interviews, there was a great poet called Bharatiya in Tamil. When he is writing about exploring life, he writes one phrase, Sundara Teluginil Patti Saitanta Rasastar.
ఓహో.
అంటే if you want to explore the life, enjoy the life, write the poem in Telugu.
Okay.
He is a Tamil poet. He says when you are exploring life, the one of the exploring is writing a poem in Telugu. So the Telugu has got such a poetic language, such a language, and I have a blood connection. My father language is, so actually I should say, in Indian legal point of view, it is my mother tongue.
Yes.
But the situation didn't permit me to speak Telugu at home. It changed. But respect naku undi in any language. Even why Kannada people respect me, you know that Kannada is more sensitive language in South India, like Tamil. Lot of language, linguistic protest, those things will come. But I have been accepted as a Kannadiga in Karnataka. And the people love me for the respect what I have the language. The same thing I am telling. When I come to Telugu also, I did lot of research. మీరు అడిగినారు కదా, ఓపెనింగ్ అన్ని ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్, తర్వాత డూ దే యూజ్ హార్మోనియం.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. నేను ఆ ట్రైలర్ చూసినప్పుడు తెలుగు వాళ్ళే అయ్యుంటారు ఖచ్చితంగా డైరెక్టర్ అనుకున్నాను. సో తర్వాత నేను కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్ చూసాక ఏంటి ఒకళ్ళు తమిళియన్ ఇంత తెలుగు ఇంత బాగా ఎలా చేశారు అని.
Yes, and the credit should also go to Kasi, who is the dialogue writer of the film. I am the story and the screenplay for the film.
Right.
Dialogue writer was Kasi, person, my friend. He also gave a lot of guidance. Tarvata I am very specific about the spelling generally. When I text anything in Telugu to the AHA people or something, I cross check with a person who knows good Telugu.
నన్ను అడగండి.
So that is what your dedication, madam.
Yes,
how to respect your language, then automatically everything will come out. When you respect the language, language will give you everything.
Yes, sir.
And special mention to Naveen Kodgat, sir.
Naveen.
Yeah, please.
Naveen is SAR's dialogue writer for Kannada version. So,
okay.
And basically Telugu andi. So he was on set helping us out a lot.
Okay.
He was the chief co-director.
Especially me, actually, throughout all the dialogues and that slang which I had to maintain over the sets, like, you know.
Basically, he is an actor in Kannada.
Okay.
Like Chaitanya, he is a very versatile and cultured actor.
Okay.
So నాకు చాలా మంచి friend. Like he has acted in my 7 films and he has written dialogues for my 7 films.
Okay.
He was hero in 5 of my films. So he came as a chief co-director here. That is the respect he had on me.
Okay.
Like, see, like I will tell you, he is like Chaitanya there.
Okay.
Okay, a good actor who has got a good name as an actor.
Okay.
So he came all the way from there and he helped me for the co-directing the film.
Okay.
So he used to help.
He's playing one of the characters as well in our movie.
Fortune teller.
Fortune teller. He's
playing.
the person who's
I think you would have seen in the trailer. The guy who is giving an intense look is Naveen Krishna. So his contribution also amazing contribution.
ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు సార్? ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ లోనే ఉన్నారు?
No. He's directing a serial there.
Oh, okay. We miss you, sir. Here, you. ఇక్కడ really.
The biggest learning is probably discuss చేసారు లేదా కానీ we finished the shoot in 18 days, man.
I told that. I mean, we were supposed to finish it in 25 days and he wrapped up in just 18-19 days.
ఒక్క రోజులో ఎన్ని సీన్స్ షూట్ చేశారు మీరు?
It is not about scene. I shoot around 6 to 7 minutes footage చేస్తాను.
My God.
Edited
Yeah,
footage,
yeah,
I will,
yeah.
that shooting footage will be around 20-25 minutes.
Okay.
The final edited footage will be around 7 minutes. Then shoots చేస్తాం.
But everyone will count the scenes only. Actually, ఒక రోజులో మనం ఎన్ని
మనం
scenes
Hardly
చేసాం.
any
మనం
retakes
2-3
actually.
scenes అనుకుంటాం కదా.
Exactly.
Yeah, వాళ్ళు వచ్చేటప్పటికి 6 minutes 7 minutes and more of the kind of క్లారిటీ ఇస్ నార్మల్గా ఇంకొక అంటే మనం మామూలుగా ఫ్యూచర్ లెంగ్త్ ఫిల్మ్స్ తెలుగులో చూసుకుంటే మల్టిపుల్ షార్ట్స్ మల్టిపుల్ యాంగిల్స్లో తీస్తుంటారు. సో యాజ్ అన్ యాక్టర్ యూఆర్ రిపీటింగ్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్ రిపీటింగ్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్ అండ్ కొన్నిసార్లు బికాస్ యూ రిపీట్ ఇట్ సో మచ్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది.
You become monotonous.
Yeah, because
actually.
first time ఒక జస్ట్ ఒక న్యాచురల్ ఫ్లో ఉంటుంది. సో హీ మేక్ ష్యూర్ దట్ యూ గెట్ ఇట్ లిమిటెడ్ టేక్స్ లోనే ఉంటాయి అండ్ దెన్ లిమిటెడ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచే ఫ్రేమ్ ఉంటుంది.
Okay.
మళ్ళీ అక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకోరు. హి హాస్ దట్ క్లారిటీ ఇన్ వాట్ హీ వాంట్స్.
In specific,
Yeah.
in specific, what he tries to mean is, I know what dialogue, what is the range I need, what is the shot I need.
Yeah.
I will take that dialogue, that angle, that range only I will take.
ఆయనకి అంత క్లారిటీ ఉందంటే ఆయన ఎంత హోంవర్క్ చేసి ఉండాలి నేను.
And one more thing, please continue. That is what I will
లైక్ మాకు అర్థమే కొన్ని సీన్స్ అయితే అయిపోయినాయి అనగానే లైక్ ఇంకా ఉంటుంటదేమో అని. బట్ పక్కన ఆన్లైన్ ఎడిటర్ ఉంటాడు. సో ఆ సీన్ అయిపోగానే హీ నోస్ వాట్ హీస్ గాట్ అండ్ దెన్ హీ మూవ్స్ ఆన్. సో ఇట్ వాస్ 18 days లో సినిమా అనేది నాకు ఇప్పటికీ ఇట్ వాస్ అ కంటిన్యూస్ షూట్ మ్యామ్. ఇట్ వాస్ నాట్ లైక్
మధ్యలో break ఏం లేదు.
And there were hardly any retakes actually. From
hardly.
our side also, we were very clear because our director is very
And
has a
generally,
clear
why
vision.
she is mentioning that is, digital వచ్చిన తర్వాత అందరికీ ఒక ఇది, okay, we will try
exactly.
take only.
Yeah.
Digital కదా.
And it's
తర్వాత
always like, let's rehearse first and afterwards we'll go for the take. But I am that sort of actor who wants to do just one take and one go. I am okay with it. But he is kind of first rehearse, then let's go for a take because
And-
it's good for
and-
all the actors.
Yeah, in this
simultaneously.
interview, I want to say that if it is digital, if you say that more footage, nothing is expenditure, I'm going to say that you need a hard disk to say that. Okay, the hard disk is costing you, so don't waste the footage even in the digital.
వాట్ అబౌట్ టైం సార్?
Time also, it is time.
Time and
main
also
ఏం చేస్తానంటే,
energy is, yeah.
వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ ఒక రిహర్సల్, then second rehearsal, second monitor, third monitor. When I say perfect, here we go for the take.
Okay.
There will be hardly 2 takes. Otherwise, it will be 1 take.
My story is other way around only. I have worked with lot many directors like previously, and they were like, just pile, no rehearsal, nothing, just go for the shot. And I am kind of okay. My first shot is going to come out in a very natural and in very organic way instead of the second one. So I really believe in my first, but it's okay. I altered my ways just for him, and I was okay with that. It's okay. It's his way of doing his work. So yeah, I respect that.
So, can I ask you one thing if you don't mind?
Yeah.
You don't know Telugu,
Yeah.
right? That is number one.
Uh-huh.
And how can you give the expression actually? అంటే మీనింగ్ తెలుసుకుంటారా? What is the dialogue? What is meaning?
Yeah.
I will tell you. It will be. She should.
That's okay, sir, you go on. You observed me a
better
lot.
person to answer this. She has got a professional prompter with her, which is very, very rare for a.
I really want to give one credit. Sir, wait. I want to give this credit to my Raghu Anna.
Okay.
He is very close to my heart since RX 100. I mean, I still remember when I was shooting for RX 100, I didn't know a single word.
Okay.
You know, a single word. Now I'm very much familiar with the language, but that time, from that time till now, so far he is there with me. So
Okay.
he is my only support, if I'll say. I'm talking about the language thing.
So
Okay.
he prompts and she completely writes the whole dialogue in English. She writes the meaning of the dialogue in English. I have noticed many times, no? Like in between, she'll, what is that word meaning? Then he will tell the meaning. Oh, this is the meaning. So during this word, should I look like this? So much she program herself, she delivers. That is what I was telling of the.
I've become like a computer only. Whatever it fits in, it'll go inside, and I'll work like a machine only. It's very different. It's indeed a hindrance for me, the language, the barrier thing. But any which way, I have to perform, and I have to perform right. I can't, do something hanky-panky things with my dialogues. Like people say, okay, you don't have to mug it up, you just have to go in front of camera, you just have to deliver your dialogues. No, it's really not like that. I have to mug it up. I have to deliver the right amount of expression with every dialogue. So I have to take care of those nuances.
No, that is once again respecting the language.
Yes.
So she learns the language and delivers it. That's
Yeah.
it. Yes, sir. Sorry.
No, that's
And I
it.
so want to learn Telugu.
ఇప్పుడు ఇంతకీ మీరు ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారు తెలుగులో చెప్పండి.
Let me tell you,
Yeah.
in Telugu only. Na Telugu sariga baaledu.
అయ్యో
సరిగా
But it's okay. I make sure I just learn and I ఇప్పుడు అర్థం అవుతుంది బట్ కొంచెం కష్టంగా ఉంది whenever it comes to speaking. But it's okay. It'll take time. Now I shifted my base to Hyderabad, so might be my maid is, she's teaching me. Every day she comes, "Ayo amma, what you're cooking?" And all those beautiful words. In the morning she comes and speaks. So it's okay. I'm really okay with it. I'm learning. It's a never-ending process.
ఎన్ని లాంగ్వేజెస్ మాట్లాడతారు మీరు?
My mother tongue is Punjabi and Hindi. Afterwards, now Telugu has come, of course, then English. 4-5 languages. I'm like.
ఓకే, మీరండి?
నేను తెలుగు అండి.
తెలుగా? సూపర్.
హిందీ అంతగా రాదు. కైండ్ ఆఫ్
Hindi? Oh my God!
That's what I'm saying. అంతగా రాదు.
On the sets, I'll tell you, the amount of gyan he showered on me, I absorbed all. I'm gonna obey that.
Okay.
But he's such a nice man. Tarif nahi kari, I'm not doing any butchering or something. But yeah, I found a very good friend in him. He used to listen to me whenever I was like pissed off or something like that. He was, he used to sat down next to me and he was like, "Payal, you tell me what happened to you." I'm just like a kid within.
Okay.
But this mature guy, I loved his company and I got a friend for rest of my life.
She's putting in a very simple way, but it is a very complicated thing. Like
Okay.
for any man,
సార్,
when you are acting with a girl who is more, like, as he said, she's more popular and she's more emerging actress, obviously you will get that complex that, like, okay, what is that? That is attitude of men.
Yes.
Any men.
yes,
Okay. I never seen that quality with them.
గుడ్
But I
బాయ్.
always made it feel comfortable.
It is understanding your position and reacting your position. I have come here as an actor. I have come here to do my business. Let me be on business.
True.
That is he is very clear about
We are
it.
assigned for this job and we are just doing our job. बड़ा छोटा कुछ नहीं होता. We are just doing our job
No, that
together.
is what I have come here
true.
to business. You big or small, it is nothing
doesn't
for me. I have
matter
come here to do my
nowadays,
business.
yeah.
So he is so much to the business.
I'm
That's
telling you
what.
now, I got a friend. Dude,
సేమ్
No, actually, many times I will be in a trance, you'll be wishing and I will not even wish back. Then I will go 2 steps and come back and say that, sir, good morning, sir, I didn't notice. So generally, they will think that, oh, this fellow is not respecting me.
Yeah.
But he understands
he's a man of few words. I mean,
Like, he understands.
I talk a lot. I have that habit of talking a lot. Whenever like I'm sitting with you right now, so okay, I'm quite nervous for my movie because after this we all have to go and watch our show.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you my thing. I talk a lot, so whenever I'm free and I'm sitting like this, I just call him and I'm like, and at the end he's like, okay, kada, okay. Because you heard everything, no? Kehte, yeah, I heard it. You are all sorted. You are okay. You are awesome. Just like that. So
we enjoyed our companies together.
Yeah.
Dayal sir
Yeah, true.
gaani,
yes.
నేను
In
and
future
cameraman
also would love to work with you. Would love to
ఒక
work with
చిన్న పేపర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ లీక్ చేయమని అడగనా? అడగనా? ఇందులో మీది క్యారెక్టర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే అని చెప్తారా?
నేను అసలు
No. Wait
నేను
for 2
నేను
more.
నేను- నేను ఏం డిసైడ్ అంటానండి ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఏ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్కి వెళ్ళినా నా క్యారెక్టర్ ఎలా ఉంటది అనగానే నేను దయాల్ సార్ చెప్తారు అని నేను డిసైడ్ అయిపోయి ఏదంటే బికాస్ నేను ఏం చెప్తే ఎలా అవుతుంది యూఆర్ ఎక్సైటెడ్ టు సే సంథింగ్ బట్ he knows how to put it in a smart way అనమాట. సో నేను ఎవరైనా దయాల్ సార్ ఐ థింక్ యూ షుడ్ ఆన్సర్
You're not the right person to answer the questions. He's so excited. You can
You
see
want
that
me to
excitement
answer
on his
for that?
face.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will say his character is something. One thing I want to tell about the movie,
Yes.
then you will understand all the characters. There are only 4 major characters in the cinema. 2 are there, and 2 are father and mother character of Payal father and mother character చేస్తారు. Ananda Chakrapani and Veena Sundar. ఇన్ వరల్డ్ వైడ్ ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంది. ఒక క్రైమ్ సినిమా అంటే ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంది. అంటే ఒక క్రైమ్, మల్టిపుల్ సస్పెక్ట్స్, ఒక ఇన్వెస్టిగేటర్ ఆర్ దర్ ఇస్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేటింగ్ బ్యూరో
ఫర్ రెగ్యులర్ ఫార్మాట్.
The criminal will be found. Criminal will justify his act or he will tell what is the motivation behind the killing.
Yes.
ఇది ఒక ఫార్ములా వరల్డ్ వైడ్.
ఎస్.
అనగనగా ఓ అతిథి doesn't fall under the formula. That is the first thing.
ఓకే.
అంటే మీరు when you see Chaitanya character, you will feel, see Chaitanya character is a stranger, then you will feel why this guy is coming, why he is behaving like this, why there is a second layer dialogue on his content. So it is a driving character. When you see Payal will be very straightforward character. చాలా pretending character.
చాలా ఒక డైలాగ్ ఎంత బోల్డ్ గా చెప్పించారంటే మీరు ఆ ఒక్క డైలాగ్ ని ఎడిట్ చేసి
Man,
trailer లో-
I got scared looking at myself. I mean, this much rowdy, rustic.
Really?
The way she's sitting, he made me sit like this.
Yeah.
Just like a lioness is coming.
And
you know.
sometimes I will say, I don't know how she has taken. I remember. I don't want you to act. I will say, and she will say, "What do you mean? No, you deliver the look at his eyes. Deliver the dialogue in here. Deliver the dialogue. Don't act. I don't need any expression."
Yeah,
I will say. Sometimes she will get confused, but she will say, "Okay, I understood what you're telling." I will say, "I don't need a single expression on your
Yes,
face.
yes.
Deliver the dialogue in one particular phase.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
I don't want your eyes to blink and all." I will say.
Nothing. Just this much compact, and you just have to deliver those dialogues looking at him in his eyes. No blinking, nothing. And that was actually difficult for me.
Really?
But as an actor, it's
And
okay. I pulled it
she
off.
doesn't know that that delivery will convey the expression what I need. Sometimes it will be a sarcastical thing. There will be a two-layer dialogue. Sometimes there will be anger. Sometimes there will be a greediness. I know that will be delivered without any expression if she tells the dialogue in one particular phase or rhythm. So that she has done.
That's why I left
quite,
everything on him only. Okay, you just handle my acting, you handle all my expressions. I am not going to do anything.
హీస్ ఆల్సో బ్రిలియంట్ యాక్టర్ అండి
Yeah.
అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ రాజమౌళి గారు అన్ని చేసి చూపిస్తారు. హీ ఆల్సో యాక్ట్స్ హీస్ లైక్ సునీల్ గారు బ్రిలియంట్ యాక్టర్ అని చెప్తారు రాజమౌళి గారు. సో హీస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ గుడ్ యాక్టర్.
సరే పాయల్ గారిది ఎంత బోల్డ్ గా ఉంటుందో ఇందులో క్యారెక్టర్, మన చట్నీ కృష్ణ గారి కూడా అంతే బోల్డ్ గా ఉంటుందా? నాకు అనిపించింది ఆ డైలాగ్ విన్న వెంటనే ఫస్ట్ అయ్యో బాబు ఇంత డైలాగ్ ఇలా ఎలా ఉంది.
అంటే ఒక విషయం చెప్తాను మీకు. ఇప్పుడు లిటరల్లీ బోల్డ్ సీన్ అంటే ఒక సీన్ ఉంది చైతన్య గారికి ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ సీన్ వేర్ హి కమ్స్ విత్ ద బేర్ బాడీ ఫ్రమ్ ద వాటర్.
We are only supporting cast for him.
లేదు మేడం.
ఇక్కడ ఏమంటే లైక్ దిస్ సినిమా హాస్ గాట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్నల్ మీనింగ్. సో ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ క్యారెక్టర్ హాస్ గాట్ ద ఇంటర్నల్ మీనింగ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆల్వేస్ ఐ మేక్ ద మదర్ టు స్టాండ్ బిహైండ్ పాయల్. అంటే అన్ని సీన్స్ లో మదర్ అండ్ డాటర్ విల్ నాట్ బి ఇన్ వన్ లైన్, అండ్ ఈవెన్ టిల్ నౌ షీ హెస్ నాట్ క్వశ్చన్డ్ మీ వై ఆల్వేస్ షీ స్టాండ్స్ బిహైండ్ మీ.
Okay.
అంటే ఐ హ్యావ్ ఏ మీనింగ్ ఫర్ ఇట్.
Okay.
That she follows her. Mother follows Payal.
ఓకే
Wow.
wow.
Okay.
अभी तक पता ही नहीं क्यों.
No, that was it. We never thought of it.
Okay,
Yeah.
always. The mother is following daughter. The second thing is she is not gelling with Payal thought process. These are the second layer thing. I try to give you the thing in her costumes also. When the introduction, I gave her a pink costume where the women would has to be defined. When she is in a good mood, like the thought process is very positive. That scenes and all, her costume will be in green. And where the negativity comes to her mind, there it becomes red. So these are the small things we did in the cinema. So that way, you asked about the characters.
Yeah.
ఈ డీటెయిల్స్ ఉంది కదా, దట్ విల్ ఇఫ్ యూ కమ్ అండ్ వాచ్ ద సినిమా యాజ్ ఎ సర్ప్రైజ్, it will really give you surprise. It will definitely excite you.
Yeah.
And this movie has a rare distinction of belonging to both art and commercial film categories.
Yes.
It's not that commercial sort of movie. It's not a
You will say a content cinema in a commercial tone.
not
Yes.
so conventional, and it's above and beyond of lot of things, and this kind of cinema never heard or seen before. I never saw it. Like that was the first movie, A Card Ratri in Kannada. When I saw
Yes.
it for the very first time with my mom, she was like shocked, and she was like, "You have to do this movie." Rather, on other way around, I was quite apprehensive to do such sort of dark and depressive cinema. But yeah, I am here to explore. I am here to do a hell lot of things.
I still remember పాయల్ కనీసం ఒక 5-7 సార్లు చూసుంటారండి ఆ కాల రాత్రి సినిమా.
అవునా?
అండ్ ఐ వాస్ లైక్ ఎందుకు పాయల్ నువ్వు ఒకసారి చూసే సరిపోయా. షీ వాస్ సో ఎనామర్డ్ బై మా హీరోయిన్ ఎంత బాగా యాక్ట్ చేసిందో.
The original hero.
ఒరిజినల్ హీరోయిన్.
And
Anupma did a
the great
fantabulous
quality,
job.
she will always say that, "No sir, one thing is there."
She did a fantabulous job, better than me. I
Always
was
she
always
says
like
she has
that.
done a fabulous job, sir. I should not even either I should do to that level.
Yeah.
I should not insult her performance. If I do underperformance,
I'm never
it will be
satisfied.
insult for her.
I'm never
Yeah, she's
satisfied
never
with my
satisfied.
performance.
Which is a
That's
very rare quality for an actress. Why the hell she has to bother about another actress who has done in the original cinema? No way she is connected with that.
No,
But
I
she
just-
will say that, "No sir, it is insulting the cinema, sir. It's insulting her performance. That is what she will say
నేను
always.
నిజంగా పాయల్ నుంచి అది ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదండి. నేను ఏమనుకున్నా అంటే నార్మల్గా తను చేసి చాలా బాగుంది అయిపోతుంది అనుకున్నాను, బట్ షీ వాస్ కాన్స్టెంట్లీ ఆ హీరోయిన్ ఇంత బాగా చేసింది, షీ కిల్డ్ ఇట్ మ్యాన్, ఐ వాంట్ డూ మచ్ బెటర్, ఇంకేమన్నా లైక్ ఐ కుడ్ సీ దట్ ఇన్ హర్. అండ్ you don't expect a star heroine to say those things.
And one more thing is when she delivers some expression, suppose she delivers in a wrong way, I say no. Okay, one more. I will be very rude in that. No, one more. Yeah, one more. Sometimes until she gets, she will not get out of that location. She will say, I will do one more. So that dedication probably, like, you don't want to spoil somebody's content.
Okay.
You do not have to glorify it, but don't spoil somebody's content. That is what I think.
And I would love to share one gruesome experience of, during the shoot. You remember that chicken scene? I turned vegetarian 5 years before, and I'll tell you, it was so difficult to, hold the chicken in my hand and, delivering all the dialogues. But this guy stood by me, and I'm really thankful to you for that scene, especially.
Oh, yeah. See, everyone was getting irritated. So as a director also, it was almost, I have to send you for the show or something. You have to leave early.
Tomorrow
she had a thing. And she was denying to leave the chicken.
Oh,
I literally had tears in my eyes, and I looked at him and I was like, please help me, because that was very sort of horrible thing for me, just holding that chicken and I don't know, I can't explain that.
The dialogue also reference to the chicken.
Yes, that's why he was like, no, you have to do this scene, we can't do anything, we don't have any alternative, we can't avoid this scene. Then he came in and he was like, okay, let me hold your hand first, and after that he made me.
He is one person who reads the whole situation.
Okay.
I will tell you.
Okay.
Not only Payal he has helped, that way he has helped Anand Chakrabarti.
And he was mum that time, he was like, do whatever you want to do.
So the thing is, no, Chaitanya understands the situation.
Yes.
He knows that, okay, logically director is getting irritated, the crew is getting irritated. Logically, he knows.
Yes.
Anyone will get irritated. Then and end of the day, I have to send a lot of limitations will be there. He understands that, and okay, I should not get irritated. Instead, I should support her.
Okay.
He does that not
Yes.
only to Payal. I have seen many times he has done the same thing to Ananda Chakrabarti.
Okay.
Ananda, sometimes if it doesn't come in the rhythm of performance, I will say, no sir, this is not, I don't want. But he will say, no sir, you can do it. So it is really understanding the situation. That is what
We have to boost each
that's
other's
why
confidence.
before he came, only I told you, one
Yes.
of the finest actors I have come across in my life.
Sir, thank you, sir. You keep saying that. It's so wonderful, there was a Hindulo article పడిందండి. I know మీకు ఇది ఇబ్బంది ఉండొచ్చు ఒకరి గురించి ఒకరు చెప్పుకోవటం, బికాస్ బట్ ది వన్ థింగ్ ఐ లవ్డ్ అబౌట్ హిమ్ వాజ్ దిస్ జర్నలిస్ట్ వాజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ హిమ్, చైతన్యకి అంత సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ఫిల్మ్స్ లేవు కదా, మీరు చైతన్యతో వర్క్ చేయాలి అని.
ఎందుకు లేవు, నేను చెప్తాను, ఉన్నాయి బోనస్.
They saw him as a hero.
Yeah.
As a hero.
Okay.
She was very upright in asking him అనమాట. నేను అది చదువుతుంటే నాకు ఏంటి ఇది అన్నట్టుగా అనిపించింది. నా ఫ్రెండ్ కట్ చేసి లింక్ పంపించాడు, చైతన్యకి ఏం సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ఫిల్మ్స్ లేవు కదా, నువ్వు ఎందుకు చైతన్యని ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకున్నారు, అది పాయల్ కి ఆపోజిట్ గా. I said I am not looking at success or something, I'm looking at an actor who can act, and he's delivered more than what I was like కొన్ని moments ఉంటాయి, and I felt so happy.
Really.
And when a director or when the captain of the ship stands by you, it's a wonderful
And it is not a new thing for me.
Yeah.
I have seen many actors like Chaitanya caliber. So I always respect actor. If you come with the hero tag and the heroine tag, I am not there for you.
Okay.
Yes, you are a hero for the commercial point of view, and I will respect you more if you are an actor.
Okay.
That is what my point always. Yes.
ఒక 5 minutes లో క్లోజ్ చేసేస్తాను. You don't have much time and I can understand that. ఇందులో మీరు ఒక ట్రైలర్ లో ఒక సాంగ్ ఒకటి వేశారు, బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ సాంగ్. అసలు అది వింటూ ఉంటే
BGM.
మై గాడ్, గూస్ బంప్స్.
Applause for that.
రియల్లీ ఎలా అంటే మీరు లిరిసిస్ట్ కి మీరు ఏం చెప్పారు యాక్చువల్లీ?
Madam, one thing is I want to tell you, the whole cinema the music director. I want to put a few things about the technicians.
Please, sir.
Okay.
Please, sir.
Editor వచ్చి నాకు రెగ్యులర్ గా చేస్తారు ప్రీతి అండ్ బాబు.
Okay.
They are husband and wife. So they are my regular editors.
Okay.
Like cameraman, they will be there with me for the whole shoot.
Okay.
From the day one, they will be with me.
Like your family.
Family. They will be husband and wife. They will be with me. They were with us.
Okay.
తర్వాత రాకేష్ దిస్ ఇస్ 8th ఫిల్మ్. I only introduced him as a cameraman in Canada. He is a state award winning cameraman for his second film. So I brought Rakesh here. I'm coming to the lyric point only.
Yes.
I'm going to connect it.
Yes, sir.
So that way, Arul Karali is the music composer for this film, who is an emerging music director in Tamil industry,
Okay.
which was suggested by the creative head, Mr. Surya Narayanan from AHA.
Okay.
And I don't have any chemistry with Arul Karali, and you know that the main technicians, core technicians, always you should have a small connection should be there. It will be always good to. Even at this point, the cinema is going to be releasing in another 1 or 2 days.
Yes.
I have not met him.
Oh,
I have not met him. I spoke only over the phone,
okay.
only video calls. He has delivered such a music, which is, I will challenge, probably now you can say little thing on me, the one of its new kind of music for Telugu industry.
Yeah, really.
I am talking in
Really.
terms of background score.
Yes, yes.
He basically a violinist.
All the drums and everything you
Everything.
can
So
listen.
it's a new kind of essence for Telugu music. Connecting with that with the lyric writer, Kalyan Chakravarti is the lyric writer for the film, and another guy called Sagar. So there are two. Kalyan Chakravarti garu 2 songs he wrote. So generally for lyric writer, he was also very surprised. Antike I brought so much of thing into the general lyric writer situation. Sir, em ledhu sir, for hero heroine they fall in love. Okay, sir, then immediately you take a note, sir. Sir, foreigner, ikkada sir, set sir. Evaru sir, choreographer. Sir, what is the rhythm, sir? This is the way the lyric writing is going on today. Generally,
Yes.
what I told the whole story to him. I told him to watch the whole Kannada version.
Okay.
I was talking about the characters, what is running inside the characters' mind. Anni chepparu. Like we had a 4 hours, 5 hour discussion about the characters.
Yeah.
So, and for your kind information, the first time I think I edited the whole cinema, gave it to him and told him write lyrics for this.
Oh,
Yes.
Wow.
oh, such a long story.
Yes, I edited the cinema. I brought, he knows the whole cinema.
Okay.
I brought the lyrics part. I gave it to him. See, what is driving you? This cinema make what is teaching you, sir? Write it in the Japan.
Okay.
He wrote it. That is the reason the lyric, each and every word will go with the situation.
That's really.
Like when you watch the cinema, hope you are coming for the show today.
Please do come.
మీరు చూసిన తర్వాత మీకు అది ఈజీలీ యూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ ఓకే టెల్ ద సిచ్యుయేషన్ ఒక థ్రిల్లర్ సిచ్యుయేషన్ సార్ వన్ ఫెలో ఈస్ అండర్ లేదు దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ద థింగ్ he has seen the movie, he has written the thing. So that is the reason, that is one of the reasons why that particular song has hit your mind.
Exactly.
Sir, when Payal saw the teaser, she said background score was brilliant. I want to know what is the name of
Yeah,
it.
yeah, actually-
Name anukunnarante when she asked, I thought it was from your team from Kannada. That's why I said it was
Tamil.
Yeah, from,
Arul Karali.
I didn't know it was like
The BGM is
really
taking you to the next
Yeah,
level
yeah.
actually. See, if it would be like normal BGM for the same content, it would be like okay, it's going going with the flow. But this one is giving you goosebumps, and that's
And one more
enough.
thing is, this is a 1980 film.
80s
Okay.
film, yeah.
The 80 film,
Okay.
where the instruments, the background score has to go with the period.
Exactly.
Yes.
You cannot go with the latest Irish film.
No, that's why they're using those drums and damru, what we call it.
yeah,
Dum, dum,
that
dum,
was,
dum,
yes.
dum,
that
dum.
was brilliant.
So yeah, beautiful.
And today I'm telling you, when you watch the last 19 minutes of the climax,
Sir.
I will say,
No, sir.
I will say 80 to 90% of the persons will be crying, even if they are watching in your mobile.
Shit, you're making me feel, more nervous right now.
I'm telling you.
Sir.
So that is magic of the lyric and the composer.
True.
I have done my work.
Yes.
They have done their work.
Yes.
But
So final
that has been highlighted, or it has been backed exactly by the lyric writer and the
And
music
music
director.
director.
Perfect, sir.
And I want to tell you, okay, let me tell. Today morning, Arvind Garu came to the mixing studio.
Wow.
He watched I had 2 versions of sound. I had 2 mixing of the sound. One climax ki,
Okay.
rendu mixing undi. I gave him 2 options.
Okay.
Which one you prefer? So he was watching the film 4 times climax he saw. 19 minutes content he saw 4 times.
Oh. Okay.
One version, rendu said. Another version 2 times. He saw. Then he said, okay, this is what my opinion. Then we did something. Now it has come out. I'm telling that climax is so powerful. And Arvind Garu is not a regular coming producer who comes with a...
He's so engrossed with our movie.
Okay, 50 years experience of producer. Why he has to come? And one more thing, after 7 months, this is the first visit he has come out to the studio in the Corona period.
Wow.
So these are the prestigious things for us.
Really. So nice, sir. I don't want to waste your time at all now.
Waste కాదు.
మీకు వెళ్ళాలి కదా ఇప్పుడు.
అవును.
So wish you all success.
Thank you so much.
పాటిస్తున్నారా రేపు రిలీజ్
Not party, not right now. As of now, might be after a couple of days we will plan some party,
we'll party.
and you have to join us definitely. And thank you so much for this.
Thank you so much. Wish you all success once again. I love to see the movie. Really.
Yeah.
And
Really.
one more thing, we are requesting you on behalf of our team. You are anchoring a big show,
Right.
and you are enough popular to run a show.
Sir.
This is our personal request to you. When you watch the film,
Sir.
definitely I will not say that if you like the film. I know whether you will like or you will love. There are only 2 options for you.
Okay.
Please review it if possible.
Whatever you
Yes, sir.
feel, whether like or love,
Yeah.
please write your opinion on your social media platforms.
Definitely.
This is not only a request to Anjali.
Yes.
There are many Anjalis who are in the social media platform. All of you, please write your
Sure, sir.
opinions on, your reviews on whatever may be.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And I am telling confidently, there will be only like or love.
Yeah. True.
Dislike, ledu.
There is no third option for that.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely it is going to be a big blast, sir.
Yes.
నాకు నమ్మకం ఉంది ఎందుకంటే ట్రైలర్ చూసిన తర్వాత రియల్లీ ఐ వాజ్ సో ఇంప్రెస్డ్ రియల్లీ విష్ యూ ఆల్ సక్సెస్
Thank
ఆల్
you
ఆఫ్
so
యూ సార్
much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వన్స్ అగైన్
Yes.
యా మీరు కూడా ఈరోజు ఈ టీమ్ చిట్చాట్ అంతా కూడా మీకు నచ్చిందని ఆశిస్తున్నాను మరొక షోలో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం సీ దాన్ బాయ్
Namaste, Nenu me Payal Rajput. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Hi, this is Chaitanya Krishna. For more entertaining videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Hi, this is filmmaker Dayal Padmanabhan. For more exciting videos, please subscribe iDream.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Hi, this is Sai Kripa, strength coach. For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
And more videos, please subscribe to iDream Media.
Hi, I'm Sirisha Reddy, fashion designer. Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For more videos, please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
హలో అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను మీ గెటప్ శ్రీను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు iDream Media.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు, మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.